Find the joy first. The very first thing to do is to find something that interests you. If you're considering a career in the trades, it's probably framing, electrical, plumbing, whatever. There's something that you're initially interested in. Go there and go hard at it. Find a crew that looks like they're doing cool stuff that you're super into, because that's where you're gonna find the joy, and the joy is what's gonna carry you through, because the work that we do is really hard, but it's very rewarding.
Yeah, don't chase the paycheck. Find the passion first, and then if you love doing it, it won't be as much like work.
I rarely go to work because I love what I do. If you can find that moment where you are proud of what you've done, you're there. Keep going. Lexel, Lexel, and Lexel.
A 3D printed home
Yes,
out of
'cause
Lexel.
Well, I'd probably go with saw, and then Lexel and Lexel.
See, I'm thinking tape measure, circ saw, and yeah, Lexel is probably the...
Maybe the more flex. To give you more flex.
That's nice, that's nice. I'm a flexibility guy, I got that yoga vibe going. And I can tell you that you can wear down your opponent with that big stretch, only to snap back from that elongation.
I watch these guys on the building. My go-to resource, Travis and Joe. Everything I need to know.
Instagram, and if you don't follow Big Dog, you're missing out, because every day you get a fresh tip. The time that we're living in now, I believe, is like the golden age of sharing in our industry.
And if you see somebody on the Build Show or Instagram or whatever, you can reach out to them and ask a question. 99.9% of the time, they will get back to you and they will answer your question.
Don't ignore the written resources as well as online.
I'd say the variety.
Hands-on every day, and every day I get to literally turn around and see something that I've done. And I get to pass on that information right now. That's really important for any of us, is to take that moment, take that minute, share what you know.
Yeah.
The most rewarding thing about the work that we do is that it affects people's lives for hundreds of years. That's how we look at everything that we build. It's really, really important to look at your work that way.
You know, I can drive around and show my kids, all three of them. It's like, well, I built this house, and I built this house. See that addition? We did that.
You can go out with the John Ruskin quote that everyone uses, and it's not beat to death because it's so true, but when you build, let it be forever. It's so meaningful. If you wake up every day with that on your lips and in your bags, you're good to go.